Hello everyone, my name is Nafisa Tasya Nabila with NIM 23030600205 from Political Science. Here I will presentation about international relation between theory, feminism and realism. Okay, the first is definition of international relation. International relation can be understood in two ways. The first, the interaction between countries. This is the most common understanding of international relation. It includes things like diplomacy, war, trade, and foreign policy. And second, the academic field that studies this interaction. The field is also sometimes called international study, international politics, or international affairs. It is a social science that draws on many other disciplines such as history, economic, political science, law, and sociology. Next is definition of feminism. Feminism is a social, political, and ideological movement that aims to achieve gender equality and gender discrimination and promote human rights for women. It seeks to understand and challenge the oppression of women based on race, gender, class, and sexual orientation, and to create a more just and equal society. Feminism is not a movement against men, but rather a movement to end the oppression and exploitation of women. It is a movement that seeks to promote the rights and dignity of all individuals regardless of gender. Theory of feminism. The first, liberal feminism, focus on achieving equality for women through legal and political reforms. 2. Radical feminism, views patriarchy as the root cause of gender inequality and argues for a complete overhaul of social structure. 3. Marxist feminism, analyzes gender inequality through the lens of class struggle, arguing that women's oppression is linked to capitalism. And 4. Womanist theory, a black feminist theory that addresses the specific experience of black women in societies shaped by racism and sexism. The next is definition of realism. In international relations, realism is a set of related theories that emphasize the role of the state, national interest, and power in world politics. It is a broad tradition of thought that comprises a variety of different styles, the most distinctive of which are classical realism and neorealism. Realists claim to offer both the most accurate explanation of state behavior and set of policy prescription for ameliorating the inherent destabilizing element of international affairs. Theory of realism. The first is a state-centrism. States are the primary actors in international politics. Second is anarchy. The international system lacks a central authority to govern relations between states. 3. National interest. States act in their own national interest, which is defined as the pursuit of security and power. And in the last is power politics. States use power to achieve their national interests. Power can take various forms, including military, economic, and diplomatic power. Thank you.